Hey guys, today we'll be making maple syrup. Simple ingredients, amazing results. Today our helpers are my mom and my little brother Jordan. Step 1. Combine in a medium saucepan, add 1 cup brown sugar and 1 cup white sugar. The ingredients you'll need is 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of white sugar, and 1 cup of hot water. Step 2. Add hot water. Pour in 1 cup of hot water. Stir until the sugar is fully dissolved. Step 3. Bring to a boil. Place the saucepan over medium-high heat and bring the mixture to a boil, stirring occasionally. Step 4. Simmer. Reduce the heat to medium-low and let it simmer for 20 to 25 minutes. Do not stir. Next, we are making cinnamon brown sugar French toast sticks. Instructions. Step 1. In a bowl, whisk together milk, eggs, cinnamon, brown sugar, and pure vanilla extract until well combined. Step 2. Dip each bread strip into the mixture, coating all sides. Step 3. Heat a skillet or griddle over medium heat and lightly grease. Step 4. Cook the sticks for 2 to 3 minutes per side until golden brown and cook through. Step 5. Serve warm with your favorite dipping sauce or syrup.